you want to make a good use of your hands. Because deep inside, you already know that I'm going to make you come. Every cell of your body is screaming and begging for more. The ones that make you feel hot and your heart beat faster. I know you are familiar with many of these feelings, but be sure there's much more.